standing machine, chest fly.
So this is kind of a unique exercise, as you can see. With positioning, get your feet shoulder width apart. Make sure you got a stable base with a slight bend in your knees to maintain balance. Keep your feet kind of set behind you so that you can keep all your body weight over the handles throughout the process, therefore keeping constant tension on the chest. Notice coming up here, his elbows are only barely breaking the plane of his torso, and then making sure that he's feeling the stretch at the top in control, and squeezing at the bottom again in control. Get a pause of the contraction once your arms are fully extended in front of you, just to maximize the chest muscles. For breathing, inhale as you're coming up here, exhale on the way down. And a tip here is avoid locking your elbows throughout the process. Don't rush the movements, slow controlled phases and returns engage the muscles more effectively and help prevent injury. Give it a try, let us know what you think.